Requesting time off through the UKG Pro app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to submit a time off request. Open the UKG Pro app. Log into the UKG Pro mobile app using your username and password. If it's your first time accessing the app, you may need to enter your company's specific access code. Navigate to Time Off. Once logged in, tap on the menu or the hamburger icon located at the top left or bottom right of the screen. Select Time Off from the available options. Create a new time off request. Tap Request Time Off or Submit Time Off. Choose a type of time off from the drop-down menu. Select the start and end dates for your time off. Set the duration. Specify how many hours or days you would like to request. Optionally, add any relevant notes or details regarding the reason for time off. Submit the request. Review the time off request for accuracy. Once satisfied, tap Submit to send the request to your manager or HR for approval. Receive approval or confirmation. After submission, you will receive a notification once your request has been reviewed and approved by your manager or HR department.